Hi, my name's Isayan, and this is I guess I'd call it a science project for learning task 4 on week 4. So I'm going to show my project. I'm good. Here are the materials that you will need for, no, this is the materials I need. So, 2 cups of water and some milk powder, you need milk powder, and 1 stirring spoon, just 1 spoon, nothing else, it's just a spoon. It's just a spoon, nothing special, just a spoon. It's just a spoon. Anyway, so dissolve 4 tablespoons of milk in cup 8. Good. Wheat. I'm gonna empty this out. If I run out, oh gosh, I ran out. Okay, I ran out. Well, that is the equivalent of 3 scoops in there, because I can see the amount of scoops. Anyway, so we're going to use this to fill in the extra one. Then stir until dissolved. This is, I'd call it unsaturated. Very unsaturated. And then dissolve 6 teaspoons in cup B. Oh, I forgot to mention that I labeled them A and B here. Yeah. About 3, 4, 5, and a 6. Then stir it. Gosh. These are both 1 cup here. These are both 1 cups. I just used 2 different glasses for the same thing. Oh Lord. This is both the same cup. I'm not gonna hold it. The cloth is scaring me for decorative reasons. And there we go. This one is fully saturated. Here is a saturated mixture of milk, and this is an unsaturated mixture of milk. So you can clearly see the differences in color. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be my conclusion. I kinda didn't like that. Okay. Please ignore the video in the background. So, here are my conclusions. Unsaturated solutions are mixtures where the solute doesn't... I can't say it. Okay, take 2. Please disregard the video. Please ignore the video in the background. And I will now say my conclusion. Yeah. So, in solution A, which is the unsaturated solution, yes, I can't say it. Hello, this is going to be my conclusion bit. Please ignore the video in the background, and I will now begin with my conclusion. So my conclusion about what unsaturated and saturated. Um, Solution A is completely is obvious is my tongue today is obviously so is a unsaturated solution because as you can see it is a little bit dulled and a little bit watered down and doesn't contain that much milk powder. It contains less, like it just doesn't contain that much milk powder to taste that good. I guess. And then here is solution B, a saturated solution which contains enough milk powder that manages to leave a bit of milk on the bottom. I don't know how to show it without without dropping some milk. So yeah, that's my learning task for week 4 project. Bye. Bye.